Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Save any unsaved work and close non-essential apps so a restart won't corrupt files. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and locate Windows Explorer under Processes. Right-click Explorer and choose Restart. This restarts the taskbar and desktop shell immediately. Once done, make sure icons and search reappear. If the taskbar still misbehaves, proceed to terminating stuck Explorer handles and preparing for an elevated refresh. This step often fixes transient glitches fast. You'll run system repair tools to fix corrupted taskbar components. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type sfc/scano, and let it scan. This repairs protected system files. After SFC finishes, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the system image. These commands replace broken components that Restart alone can't. Once both complete, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to apply changes. Make sure to watch for errors. If you finish by isolating profile or deeper OS issues. Create a new user account and sign in. If the taskbar works there, the problem is profile-specific. If problems persist system-wide, run system restore to a known good point or perform an in-place upgrade to repair Windows without losing files. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps or shell extensions cause the issue. Uninstall suspect apps while in safe mode, then reboot normally to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.